PM to inaugurate 108th Indian Science Congress tomorrow. Major attraction will be a mega expo, Pride of India, to showcase significant contributions largely of Indian science and technology to the society. Sri Anil Kumar Lahoti takes charge as Chairman and CEO. Railway Board 97 doses administered in the last 24 hours. As General Manager is credited with achieving highest ever freight and postal traffic in terms of tonnage carried and revenue earned, including running of the highest number of Kishan rails. Year-end Review 2022, Department of Atomic Energy. BARC/eco-friendly and biodegradable BARC hydrogel has been further improved to achieve water absorption up to 550 times of its own weight. CEBS/more than 516 scientific papers have been published. Air Marshal Pankaj Mohan Sinha assumes command of IAF's Western Air Command. An experienced fighter pilot, Category A, qualified flying instructor, fighter striker leader, instrument rating instructor and examiner. Air Marshal Sinha has more than 4,500 hours of flying experience. GST revenue for December 2022, rupees 1,49,507 crore GST revenue collected, records increase of 15% year on year. Monthly GST revenues more than rupees 1.4 lakh crore for 10 straight months in a row. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.